What's the meaning of African Renaissance? African Renaissance. African Renaissance. African Renaissance. African Renaissance. African Renaissance. The term African Renaissance refers to the revitalization and transformation of Africa in various domains, including political, economic, social, and cultural spheres. It aims to promote African self-determination, unity, and development while celebrating the continent's rich heritage and diversity. The vision seeks to replace the image of a battered and hopeless Africa with that of a proud, prosperous, and peaceful Africa, which harnesses its resources for the benefit of its people. The realization of the African Renaissance should lead to greater regional integration, reduced conflicts, increased democracy, and improved human rights.